Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I got my IPSY bag for April, and this feels like the Glam Plus. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And I hope you like the content. And before you leave, please hit like if you do. And please consider subscribing before you go. Okay, so without further delay, let's take a look and see what I have in my IPSY bag. Usually this bag is so late. And this time it's still a little late, but it's not as bad as it's been. Last time I got it on the last day of March for March. And so it was quite late. But this one here seems to be kind of sort of on time, but I know there's a lot of people who's already gotten it. And so it is definitely, let me see, yep, definitely my Glam Plus. So I'm happy about that. And I really like this bag. This is so springy. I mean, look this color and look at the little IPSY sign here. I don't know if you can see that. Is it? Yeah, right there. It says IPSY, very cute. And let's see what's inside. And I know what my choice was, and I was really looking forward to this. And I'm going to pick that out first. Well, you know what? Before I do, let me see if there's a card in here, because there usually is a card. It doesn't tell you what's in it, but definitely is a card. Yep, here it is. It's called April 2021 Force of Nature. You know what? That's what my dad used to call me when I was young. You're like a force of nature. Because I've always had a lot of energy. And I was like the Energizer Bunny. I mean, I was always bouncing off the walls. And yeah, my father used to say, you're just one force of nature. So yeah, it's kind of, that's funny. And then on the back of it, it actually talks about the Glam Bag X. And actually, it's going to be the Khloe Kardashian curated one. And so that's going to be pretty interesting. I've not really bought anything that Khloe did. Or I don't know if she really did anything, to be honest with you. I'm familiar with her sister, Kim. But I've never really seen anything by her. So this will be interesting. Yeah, so we'll see. And inside there is 5 skin-friendly superfoods that gives you a hint what it is. And in the front, actually, it says, whether you love your naked face. Oh, I gotta get my, I can't see. So let me get my glass here. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com, Force of Nature. Okay, that's that. So, you know, one thing too, I've really been liking what they've been offering. Like this time, this was my choice. I remember this very, very well because I couldn't wait to get it, because this is, I like Pure Lease things. I can't use everything from them because they do have some fragrances, but I do like their cleansers and things like that. And this one here is a Blue Lotus Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And it says intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing, and it's all for all skin type and combination. And so here it is. And I think I'm going to go ahead and, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one this month. No, I think I need to go ahead and use the other one that Stephanie sent me. So yeah, I'll do that first. But there are 6 of them, I think, in here. And this is actually pretty good. You know, they're not cheap. I mean, if you even go on Amazon under Pure Lease, you'll see that they're pretty, you know, pretty expensive. So they come like this, and there's 6 of them in the box, which I'm happy about. And this is what I love about IPSY. They don't send you one sheet mask out of a box of 5. Sometimes, but very rarely, I mean, they send you at least a box. So that's that. That's the first item. And the second item, I believe this was my choice. I'm not really sure. And this is the Boxycharm brush. And I'm almost sure there was not a whole lot out there that I was interested in. So I did go ahead and decide to get this one. But I'm not going to open this at this time because you know me. I have like 20 million brushes going. But this looks really nice. And so I'm really looking forward to kind of checking this out, because this is the first time I ever, I'm not familiar with this brand. But it looks pretty good. Okay. And of course, because I picked that, IPSY picked that. I can't win for losing. It's like I get 2 palettes, 2 brushes. That's what usually happens. I hope I didn't get 2 palettes this time. But, yeah. And this here is, let's see. This one is by... Sorry, guys. I need to put my glasses on. But, yeah, I'm too vain for that, I think. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah. This is the Miami, Shayna Miami. Yeah, that's what this is. It's a brush. Yeah, this is something they picked. Again, I'm not familiar with it. I'm just going to go ahead and put it aside because I'm probably going to put these in a giveaway, to tell you the truth. And the reason why I picked these aside from other things is because, you know, I mean, there's so many skincare stuff you can have and, you know, what people want. But people could always use brushes. So I always fall to the side of, you know, caution. Okay, next. I have a... palette, it looks like. The Balm and the Beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Clean Beauty and green packaging. Yeah. Nice. And eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. And I believe the Balm is made in the U.S., which I'm happy about that because I like supporting a European and American economy, actually. And yeah, this is made in U.S. and it is the Balm and the Beautiful. So let's see what it's, you know, what it looks like in here. Oh, and the inside is just like the outside, which is nice. Yeah, and then it looks like, how does this open? I don't want to tear through it. You know, bull in a china shop. Oh, okay, here it goes. There's a little tab here. I think this tab is going to probably come off in no time, yeah. And it's not magnet. But the good thing is, I think there's holes in the back, so that way if you do depot it, you just pop it right out. You stick like a pencil in there and pop the, yeah, I think that's how this would work. And look at this. No mirror, but look at this. This is very nice. I mean, this is something that you can throw around and not worry about it getting all broken up and everything. And they're pretty good. I did do a look with the Balm palette that I had. And it did come out good. But these are pretty much neutrals. Yeah. And yeah, it has an interesting cliffhanger, chick flick, autograph, green screen. It's very interesting. It's like a film thing, right? And so, but yeah, you know what? I think I'll go ahead and pop these babies out and put them on. I do have a Z palette with a bunch of stuff. I also pop out the rounds from let me see, the 9 pans from Colourpop and things like that. And so, and I just put it in there. So I may do the same with this. So yeah. Definitely useful colors. I mean, the palette itself, it's kind of hard to use on its own. Well, you can, but I mean, there's not a whole lot of shimmery things, but you can take this, depot it, and they made it easy for you to do that. You know what? I'm going to try it and to see if that really works. Hold on 1 minute. I just stuck my nail in it. I just stuck my nail in the color. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's see. Yep. What I did was I stuck this end of my cuticle pusher thingies and it popped right out really easy. Nice. See? Popped right out. But yeah, that's good. I think I'll do that with the rest of them. But I stuck my nail in the darkest one. Look. Yeah, that's me. And the one above it. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. I'm going to go ahead and depot this anyway. I just don't want to get it all over the place. It's very pigmented, I can tell you right now. Look. So, okay, that's that. Let me put this aside. God, I got distracted. Sorry about that. I'm like, you know, in a kid in a candy shop. And like way too much sugar. Okay, so, by the way, guys, I mean, I do have a lot of sugar running through my system right now. And that we fast, you know, all day long from sun up to sundown, and we just ate. And so I had a couple of dates, and I usually live the keto lifestyle, but when I'm fasting, I do need a little more glucose because like I go brain dead. And so my mouth and my brain doesn't connect that time. So I have to take in glucose. I ate a couple of dates, and it's like, now I'm like, yeah, anyway. I digress. Anyway, so, I did get another palette. I was just kidding when I said I get 2 brushes and 2 palettes, but look, I did get a palette. I think so. That's what it looks like to me. And let's see what this is all about. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go with the boxes again. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is actually very nice aesthetics. It's Bill and Argent. Look at it. This is very nice. It's very, it's metal, so it's reflective. And it looks like nude, intuitive vision. You see the back? It has the shades here. And now let's open it, and let's not break it. Oh, these are actually very nice. And it has the color. I like that because look, it has the protector here. And it has the color right on the protector. I don't know if it's focusing. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm just going to remove that. And also, there's a protector and a mirror. And this is so cute. Look at this. It's got like a eyes. And this is not going to come out as easy as the other one. I'll have to leave this in a palette. But that's okay. But look at this. This is so nice, you know, very nudie, very neutral. And I mean, these are good for to put in your bag, like if you're going to work or something like that, and you don't have time to put on makeup, but at home, which that never happens to me because I get up like 0 dark 30 every day. So yeah. So anyway, yeah, this is nice. But let me see. Okay, let me take a look real quick. And give me 1 second. Okay, it does send it back that it is cruelty-free. It's got the little bunny symbol on it, but it's so tiny. I can't even read that. Look at this. But I can see the picture of the bunny. So, okay, that's that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back. And I think that's it, my beautiful Wildflowers. That's not a bad bag. I mean, I can't complain. Definitely cannot complain. I mean, I like this palette. I like this palette. I mean, I'm very thankful for the 2, you know, sets of brushes, which seem very nice. And this will go really nice with, you know, with the giveaway or something. And then this, which I'm going to use, is the sheet mask. And I really love this. And I'm going to try it and see what it feels like. I like the blue lotus and seaweed treatment pieces. And I do have, like, you know, this other Pure Leaf stuff just sitting all over my house. So, yeah, I think that's it. So, what do you think? I mean, what did you get? Put it below and let me know. So, okay, my beautiful Wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And as you guys noticed, I just went over 600. And so I am going to have a bit of a surprise for the 550. Yeah, because I said I'm going to do 550 giveaway, which is going on right now. And what I think I'm going to do is, since I don't want to do a separate one for 600 and start all over, but I will pick 2 winners from that 551 to count for one as a 600. So that way I don't have to start all over and get all kinds of confused because Ramadan is going on and my mind is like, whoo-hoo, you know, on vacation. And so, yeah. So that's what I will do. So if you guys are watching, there'll be 2 winners on my 550 subscriber giveaway. Okie dokie? Fair enough? Okay, my beautiful Wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your moments with me today. I know your time is very important, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys take the time to watch me. And thank you so much. And I say that from the bottom of my left ventricles. So, my beautiful Wildflowers, have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, have a good weekend, regardless when you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.